2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 32,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It strikes the perfect balance of fun and function while offering Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, auxiliary input. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.